This is rental car number 75, and today I'm driving the 2018 Chevy Silverado LT. This is the first rental I've had with Android Auto, so I wanted to quickly show you kind of what it's all about. So first off, setup is a breeze. You just have to download the app onto your phone and then connect your phone to the vehicle using a USB cable. Within a few seconds, you'll see this loading screen on your phone and this setup screen on your car's display. There's really nothing to it. You just cycle through 3 quick screens explaining what Android Auto can do, and then the system loads up and you're ready to go. So here's the main screen. Everything you see here is actually on your phone. You're just using your car to navigate through all the features. And the cool thing is that you can jump back and forth. So you can use your car, listen to the radio maybe, and then just go to the home screen, tap the icon for Android Auto, and the system loads right back up for you. So because you're interacting with apps that are on your phone, there's a lot more functionality. So for example, you can load up Audible, like I am right now, and not only pause and play the audiobook, but you can also go through your phone and see all the different books that are loaded there and choose which one you want. But right now I don't want to switch books. I want to keep listening to Altered Carbon because it's really, really good. Anyway, Audible's not the only app you can use. There's a lot more that are available. Some of my favorites are using the map features. So you can connect to Google Maps, or I have Waze on my phone, so that's also available. And I love this because a lot of these rental cars don't have the navigation enabled. So now I have full nav capability on the screen of the car using my phone. This also means you can use voice commands with your phone. So you can say, for example, "Okay, Google. Directions to Washington, D.C.
Washington is 11 hours and 34 minutes from your location by car in light traffic."
And now Google Assistant will pull up the directions for me. But you can also do anything else using the Google Assistant feature. Like, for example, "Okay, Google. Tell me a joke."
One joke coming up. What's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo? One is really heavy and the other is a little lighter.
Alright, that was bad. But let's make her sing, too. "Okay, Google. Sing me a song."
Yes, I can sing. I like to help you, even if it's strange, so I sing.
And last example with the Google Assistant feature, something a little bit more, useful. "Okay, Google. Tell me about the weather."
Currently in Bolingbrook it's 17 degrees and clear. Today it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 19 and a low of 14.
So just a couple of quick other things I noticed about Android Auto. First off, if you turn the car off and pull the key out, the system's still live, so you can use all of your apps on the car until you open the car's door. Also, it doesn't matter what car you're in, the system, Android Auto, it works the same. Here I am in the 2018 Chevy Equinox, and you'll see that the screen on my phone and the screen on the Equinox are the same as it was when I was in the Silverado. For me, I think the most impressive thing is how seamlessly it worked with the car's other features. So here I am with the radio on, and I'll give the OK Google cue, and the system will just interrupt and take over. "Okay, Google."
Illinois State Board of Education.
It might not seem like much, but when you're driving, it's really nice to be able to switch back and forth between the car system and Android Auto and not have to worry about the two interrupting each other or layering sounds on top of each other. So anyway, there's a lot more to Android Auto than this. This is just a couple of my favorite features that I wanted to share with you because I was pretty excited to finally be able to try this thing out. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me next time when I do a full review of rental car number 75. That's the 2018 Chevy Silverado LT. I hope to see you then.
Thank you for watching.